Hey, Jason Brown here with VTO Labs, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip with water-soaked evidence. So, if you find that a mobile device is been in a water environment for a long period of time, the number one tip I can give you guys is if it's in water, you keep it in water until you are ready to disassemble the device and go through the proper cleaning mechanisms. The reason is if I take this phone out of the water source and I let it just naturally air dry, oxidation, which leads to rust, will start to result on the printed circuit board.